Hello kids, it's Miss Winnie. Today we'll be talking about drug abuse. Drug abuse. In the last class, we talked about drugs. At the end of this topic, you'll be able to 1. Explain the meaning of drug abuse. 2. Identify the dangers of drug abuse. And 3. Mention ways of preventing drug abuse. So pay attention carefully so that you can get these points cleared. Drug abuse is the improper or excessive use of drugs, or it means taking more than the amount of drugs prescribed by the doctor. Or drug abuse can also occur when we use drugs without the advice of a doctor or a pharmacist. So either of these definitions can be used to describe drug abuse. Dangers of drug abuse. We face risk when we abuse drugs. Let's see. First, mental illness. Mental illness occurs when the brain of a person is not functioning correctly. So if you abuse drug, it can either make your brain not function correctly. Addiction, that means you find it difficult to stop something, and it can always be a bad habit when you abuse drugs. Thirdly, drug abuse leads to accidents. Fourthly, drug abuse can cause a person to drop out of school. When you abuse drugs, sometimes your mind is not always there. Let's see pictures. You can see the person thinking, person sleeping, the person shouting. Ways of preventing drug abuse. First, we must avoid bad friends because they can influence us to abuse drugs. 2. We must seek the advice of a doctor, nurse, or pharmacist before taking any drug. 3. We must not buy medicines in buses or unknown stores. Fourthly, we must avoid treating ourselves whenever we are sick. Always visit a doctor when you are sick. You can go through this again to make sure you are not abusing drugs. Answer these questions. What is drug abuse? List 3 dangers of drug abuse. 3. Write down 2 ways through which we can prevent drug abuse. I know you enjoyed today's teaching. Take care of yourself. Bye.